Of that phony business that's hurt his country so much, he continues to give back to his country. And that's why I'm so darn proud to be able to introduce you to him and to be associated with him. Please welcome the congressman from Sarangaya in the Philippines. Please welcome Manny Pacquiao.
Good afternoon, everybody. First, I want to thank God for for give us a good day and give us strength every day. And I want to thank Bob Arm, Frank Promotion, HBO, and of course who support us for this event, for this fight in Macau. Edward Rizzi and Sun China and Venetian Hotel, and of course HBO pay-per-view. Thank you so much for all your support. Let me tell you something about this fight. I choose Brandon Rios. I didn't pick easy opponent because I believe that in the last fight, many people thinking my boxing career ends after the last fight. But I tell you this, on the last fight, my condition is amazing. My condition is one of the best condition in my boxing career. It just happened that on the 6 rounds I get too careless in the fight and too aggressive and become careless, and he got me a good shot. But if we watch again the